car launching po ang makikita nyo po sa vlog ko ngayon mga B. Kaya pakinggan po natin ang mga sasabihin ng General Manager, ng Chief Technology Officer at saka ng Sales Manager patungkol sa electronic vehicles na ito dito sa Pilipinas. Hala, uy!
Technology Officer Mr. Pang Santo to join our activity. Actually, this place is very special for JC because just 3 years ago, we launched Inzoom here, which every media friends know that is our first popular models in Philippines and paved the way for us in this market. And now, today is also a very good timing because more and more people shift their attention to the electrification, which now our GC also want to do what we can do to provide better product and driving experience to the market. Today, we invite all the media friends to have a close experience of our AIoT. In last year, we launched also another model, IOV, which is very good attention.
It's not like this baby, it's like this grandson. Yeah, so actually, now we invite him to join our activity. He works in Toyota with more than 30 years experience. Once he joined GC, he used his expertise and passion to help GC to grow globally. So later he will also to tell the innovation behind IIoT, which can give instruction to our media friends. Finally, that I hope that all the media friends can have enjoyable and have a productive experience with our IIoT. And we also need our media friends to help us to promote our new model to the market.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chen, for that inspiring video.
I believe you have already enjoyed yourself about the lovely, cute daughter, right? Have you already enjoyed? Yes, sir. Okay, good, very good. So, anyway, right now, I'm so happy, I'm very glad to be here in front of you today and try to introduce lovely baby. IT 4.0. So then, anyway, right now, I exactly feel like typical parents, yeah, who sending their daughters typical Chinese New Year's. So then, please, the first one, please remember this. We call man maximum, shi minimum. This means this kind of very compact hatchback style body, very good for young people.
Welcome, media friends and content creators, as we launch GAC IoT today. But I need to thank the two guests who went upstairs at the station for me Mr. Calvin Jack, our GM for the Philippines, thank you, and Mr. Masata. And they put a lot of pressure on me. They went upstage without any notes. And I'm someone bringing in the notes. Anyway, as mentioned, we are here to launch IMDb. Today is an exciting milestone for us as we introduce this vehicle. We believe this will redefine what customers can expect from an urban hatchback EV. The IMDb is more than a new electric vehicle. It's a bold expression of technology, style, comfort, and safety.
At iyong napakinggan ang mga nilalaman ng tungkol sa Ion Electronic Vehicles na ito, simula sa General Manager, simula sa Chief Technology Officer, at saka sa Senior Sales Manager. Alam niyo po mga B, ang sasakyang ito ay nagkakahalaga lamang po ng 999,000 para sa 400 katao na makakabili ng unit na ito. At syempre, meron pa yan silang mga freebie galing po sa kanilang GSA company. At syempre, makakatipid na po kayo sa Crodo at gagaan pa ang buhay nyo. Siyempre sa mga panahon ngayon, meron na po tayong mga solar panel na converted from electricity. So kung gumamit po kayo ng electronic vehicles na ito, makakatipid na kayo sa Crodo at tulad ng sinasabi ko, mas gagaan pa ang buhay nyo. Hala, uy. Sabayan nyo lamang po ako sa panunood habang iniikot po natin ang showroom na ito dito po sa Kalakhang, Maynila. At syempre, kung may makita po kayong kakaiba at kung meron po kayong napuna na hindi kaaya-aya at maganda para sa inyong paningin mga B, mag-comment na po kayo sa comment box dito po sa vlog na ito. Kaya hanggang sa katapusan ng aking vlog na ito, samahan nyo akong ikutin ang showroom na ito. At ayun na nga mga B, salamat po sa pagsama sa aking pag-iikot sa showroom na ito dito po sa Kalakhang, Maynila. At syempre, kung meron po kayong balak bumili, kontak lamang po kayo sa GEC kung saan sila po ang contact dealer po dito sa Ion Electronic Vehicles. Kaya maraming salamat po sa panonood sa aking vlog. Bye bye!